Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing this American Airlines 777-200ER. This is another model that I got from the airplane shop along with the Delta A220 and this United 787. I'm so excited to unbox both of these, but today I'm going to be doing the American Airlines 777-200ER. Let's get right into it. Here on the front of the box you can see we have like a decal of the aircraft. Down here it says American Airlines. Here it says Boeing 777-200ER. Here it says look inside. You can see, if you open this tab, you can see the inside of the box. There it is. It's kind of like a standard Gemini Jets box. Nothing too special about it. You can see adult collectible model. There's another decal on that side, another decal, and then 1/400 scale diecast model. So I'm going to open it now. Let's see. Alright, so here you can see we have the standard Gemini Jets packing. We have this blue like plastic on the bottom and this clear plastic on the top. So you can see inside. And then if you open these two, since this is a bigger aircraft, not only do you have this little sheet to protect the paint on the top, you also have it here on the bottom. So I'm going to get all the stuff cleared out of the way and then I'll come back to you. Now, like just first impressions on the aircraft, you see it's kind of that chrome kind of color. Not chrome, sorry, like it's almost a glazed, almost like they did with the new Southwest, the classical gold, but it's more like like a chromey kind of thing. It feels that texture too, but it's interesting. It's like a metal on the outside. Here on the top we have a Wi-Fi hub. You know, just it looks like an amazing aircraft. The only thing I'd say, and let me go get it, that it looks very tall. Let me pull it back and then invite the United 777 in here. And let me lower you guys for a minute. But look how tall this looks off the ground. Like just, oh, sorry. Just, doesn't that look a bit tall? I don't know how to explain it, but if I were to take like a 747 and put it like here, you can see it matches up with that and looks kind of odd. Aside from that, it looks like a beautiful model, so I'm going to get into more detail. Starting up here at the front of the aircraft, you can see we have the cockpit windows and then that nose gear, which might be a little tall along with the gear in the back, but yeah, that's the only thing I'd say so far just looking at the front here. Scrolling forward, that door doesn't have a whole lot of detail on it, but you can see that's door L1. There we have the beautiful American Airlines logo. That looks incredible in a 777. I love American Airlines. I think their logo, their new, I know some people like the old one better, the chrome livery. I happen to like the new like silvery look better. If I scoot it down more, there you can see on the top we have a Wi-Fi hub and an antenna. There we have the engine. If I scoot it down more, there we have another door. There we have the wings. No winglets on this. This is the one without winglets. There we have the registration, November 797AN. And then the last door there. Now I'm going to go into more detail on the tail. Looking at the tail, you can see it's a standard new livery American Airlines tail. It looks very nice. I love, again, like I said earlier, I'm a big fan of the new American Airlines logos and like colors and everything. I think this looks incredible on a 777. See this tail in an airport, you know it's American Airlines instantly from looking at it, that blue, red, and white color, all just kind of mixing together. Looking at it head on, you can see the cockpit windows and that nose gear up there. You can see those engines, they look great, and the wings. So this is now looking at the bottom of the aircraft. I would like if American Airlines would put like, I would think it'd be really cool if they put American on the bottom of the plane, but I'm not sure why they don't do that. Here you can see we have just that like final tail color coming off back there. We got the engines, the gear, and again, a little tall off the body, but maybe that's just me. And then a model stand, a navigation light, and a Gemini Jets logo, because what would a Gemini Jets plane be without a Gemini Jets logo? That concludes the model unboxing part of the video. Stay for a quick minute if you want to hear a very special announcement. But aside from that, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I definitely recommend this model. It looks great. Again, I think it's a little high off the ground, but that's really it. It looks like an amazing model, and I'm so excited to get it on the airport. Thank you all, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Just kidding, I forgot my announcement. I have made a Kahoot. That's right, a Kahoot. I'm going to put the pin up now. Go quickly, only 10 people can join. So if there's 10 views in this video, chances are you're not going to get in. But just check, because maybe somebody didn't want to take their time to do a Kahoot that somebody made from a YouTube channel. So go ahead and check out if there's still availability. Again, only 10 people can join because Kahoot just made it, so you have to buy Kahoots, and I'm not a big fan of that. But yeah, so if you want to join the Kahoot, I'll put the pin up now. It's pretty much just like a fun little Kahoot, and if you win, if you're number 1 on the Kahoot, or if somebody ties, I'll put your names up as a shout out in the next unboxing video. Thank you all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.